is fun. This is fun. Wow, those flowers. Wow, those flowers, man. The most beautiful journey I've done in a year. I'll tell you, in a year. This is the most beautiful journey I've done in a year. Love this. I'm always happy. I'm always happy to come back and enjoy this again. I don't want to go to this again. I'm coming back to this place. നീ എത്ര ദൂരം ഉണ്ടോ? ഈ റോഡ് തന്നെയല്ലേ? Look at the view at front, man. Seriously, I never thought I would find something like this in Karnataka. Thank you so much, Big Bang Biker. No words to express. Let me just ask my friends whether they're enjoying it. എടാ എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? എടാ നന്ദി ഹിൽസ് പോയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ബോറടിച്ച് കത്താനെ. Let me just ask those two people at front. അബു എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടാ? നേരെ തന്നെയല്ലേ? നിന്റെ ചാർജ് തീർന്നോ? This is life. Life is all about enjoying, and I'm enjoying right now. And my friends are also enjoying, so that makes me happy too. So I have that double the happiness. I seen these roads the last time I saw these roads. was in Pondicherry. That was a squirrel who just, oh my god, that's forest. This is forest. Fun, enjoyment, peace, happiness, everything comes under one bundle called motorcycle riding. Enjoy the ride. അതാണോടാ ആ കാണുന്നോ? So I think that is a dam. I seriously, yes, I think so. That is the dam. We reached. We have reached. This is fun. It's like super fun. Yes, this is the point. This is fun. ഞാൻ ഇപ്പൊ വരാം. So this is the fun part. I literally love this. This is so good. Oh my god. Pardon my voice though. I'm just being excited. Yeah, this is so much fun, man. I literally have a smiling face on me right now. Okay, I'll just take a turn out there. I'm having so much fun today. I'm sorry, uncle and auntie, for bothering you. I'm just enjoying the ride. Wow. This is fun. This is madness. As I go to the down, so that I can get some shots. This is so much fun, man. Seriously.